Hi, this is Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school. Our tip number 29 of 30, second last tip. Don't forget the online driving course, if you're prepping for your driving test, is half price to go in line with the 30 days, just for another 2 days. So check the course at PassFirstTime.ie. Our second last topic is mirrors. Again, big topic. When should you check your mirrors? Massively important on a driving test. Little bit of an overview first of all. You check your mirrors if you're slowing down, speeding up, or changing direction to the right or left. The maneuver you should use is mirror signal maneuver when you are slowing down, pulling out, changing direction, whatever. So if you check your mirror on the occasions on the screen right now, you should be covered. Let's go into a little bit more detail on a couple of key times though. And these are places where I find people do forget to check the mirrors. One very important one on a driving test is when you are changing lane. If you are changing lanes for any reason, make sure to check your mirrors and signal in advance and recheck your outside mirror, whichever way you happen to be going, before you change lanes. Leaving a roundabout, checking the centre and left-hand mirror, and then signalling, massively important. Another one that people do tend to forget. And when you're moving off from a parked position, or you're pulling in to stop, in general, check the mirrors. A tip I give my pupils is if you are driving along on your driving test and you're bored, if you have nothing to do, check your mirrors. Keep them going the whole time. Couple of bonus tips. Very important to set your mirrors up correctly before you start your driving lesson, or before you start your driving test. Make sure you can see what you're supposed to see in all three mirrors. If you're unsure about setting up your mirrors correctly, talk to your driving instructor about it. And from the very first lesson of your EDT, practice using your mirrors. Get into the habit of doing mirror signal maneuver. Break it down to position, speed and look then as you slow down. But get into the good habit of using your mirrors from the start, and when you reach driving test, then it won't be a difficulty for you. More details on the driving test and lots of tips on our course, PassFirstTime.ie. Half price just for 2 more days. If you're doing your test, the best of luck with it. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for more notifications. And the last tip, final tip, I won't be sorry, I must admit, it's been a mammoth task, 30 tips in 30 days. But the good news is I've had no trouble in filling the 30 tips. I think I could fill another 30 actually. We will be continuing with the videos, of course, but not every day from now on. But we will have the final tip, which is a cracker actually. It's a bit of a bonus tip. It's a bit of an all-encompassing tip on the way in tip number 30. That's coming your way tomorrow. Safe motoring. I'll see you in the next video. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course. Saving you time, money, and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons, covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.